Joshua, what kind of animal is that?
Meow.
Meow, meow. Is it a cat? What's this?
Dog.
A dog. What's that?
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink. A pig? What's this? What's this guy? Who's this? What animal is this?
Cow.
A cow. What does a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. What's that?
Nanny.
Neigh, neigh. What? Who says neigh, neigh?
Ush.
A horse. Who's this?
Ma.
A baba.
Sheep.
Sheep. Who's this?
Ba.
What kind of animal is that? Chicken. Chicken. That's right. What are those guys?
Bish.
Fish. That's right. What's this guy? Tweet, tweet. What's this? Penguin. That's right. Penguin. Who's that? Spider.
Tribe.
Spider. What's this?
Bug.
Bug. What's that?
Elephant.
Elephant. What does the elephant say? What's this guy?
Lion.
A lion. What does he say?
Roar.
Roar. What's this guy?
Yes.
That's a tough one. Zebra. That's right. I know. Oh. What about this one? Ooh, it's a bear. Roar. Roar. What about this guy? Oh, we're stuck on that bear, huh? Tiger. Look, who's this? Snake. What does snake say? Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.